Hello! Welcome to the Half Job George Restoration Show. Why don't you hit the like button as hard as I have to hit this brake drum? Because we've got a real humdinger for you tonight. Now, you may be wondering why I've cut the top of my head off in this shot, and that's for a very good reason. You are going to notice some continuity issues. Yes, that's right, I've had a haircut. In this video, we completely strip down the swivel housing. I drop my punch, and I find something unexpected in the brakes. I also accidentally filmed some channel merch. Stick around, this video content is filthy. Alright, half job, enough of the bad jokes, let's get on with it. Let's get this steering arm off. Nope, I think you're going to have to bring out the heavies for this one. Yeah, that's it. Giving the steering arm a big tap with the nylon mallet like this really helps to break up the 60 years worth of rust and age that's holding this thing together. And then I'm just using a chisel as a wedge. I'm not trying to chisel it off, I appreciate the machine surfaces in here. Okay then, the moment that all fans wait for in the life of a YouTube channel, and I just couldn't wait to do. My very own merch. Haha, makes my coffee taste even better. I think this tool is called an impact driver, but if you Google that, you'll end up with a load of battery-operated screwdrivers. Google hammer impact driver. Anyway, the blow from the hammer drives the bit into the slot and turns it at the same time. Makes light work of these screws. I don't know what it is about this job, but I always forget to back the brake adjuster off. Anyway, no need to get into that now. It still took some hammer action to come off. As with the rears, it looks like these bearings have been replaced not too long before it was parked up 20 years ago. So I'll keep them. Clean them up, reuse them. Let me know in the comments if you do the same. One thing I will be replacing is this nut. Looks like it was completely obliterated with a chisel by its last owner, and I haven't done it any favours either. Obviously, at some point in its life, this spring, which should go between here and I don't know what's gone on here. I think the brake shoes are the wrong way around. I think that shoe should be that way up on here, connected to that peg there. Why the spring's still in here? It's underneath the brake shoes. I can't believe it. It's all bent. You know what? I'm obviously not going to be reusing these springs, so I'm just going to cut them. Well, I think that concludes this video on stripping down a swivel housing. If you enjoy watching me strip down the gooey, greasy, horrible, messy stuff, let me know in the comments. And if you don't, and you just want to be here for rebuilding all the nice, cleanly painted bits, and you've no interest in watching all the greasiness, let me know in the comments. Please consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you've not subscribed, you can do that by clicking this here. That should appear there. If you haven't seen the journey so far, that should appear here. There should be a video here for you to watch if YouTube decides that you should watch something of mine. And my latest video should probably appear here, which I think was smashing some bushes out and replacing them with some new bushes in some leaf springs.